Today, I am going to speak on very important subject, Lex 4. As the mens rea is generally taken to be an essential element of crime, Lex 4 plays very important role in every investigation, inquiry or trial. We know that the Indian Evidence Act 1872 extend whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Similarly, the Indian Penal Code 1860 extend to the whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Every person shall be liable to be punished under the Indian Penal Code, but not otherwise, for any act or omission contrary to the provisions thereof, in which he shall be guilty within India. Punishment of persons committed beyond, but which by law may be tried within India, in accordance with the provisions of the Indian Penal Code, in the same manner as if such act had been committed within India. The provisions of the Indian Penal Code applies to any offence committed by any citizen of India in any place beyond the limits of India, by any person on any ship, aircraft registered within India, wherever it may be, any person in any place beyond the limits of India committing the offence, targeting the any computer resources located in India. Suppose a person committing the murder in Australia, a citizen of India, committed the murder in Australia. He may be tried and convicted of murder in any place in India in which he may be found. The law changes from time to time and from country to country. Suppose adultery is an offence punishable with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 5 years or with fine or with both in India, whereas it is to be punished with stones until death in Islamic countries. The same offence is punishable with simple imprisonment in Western countries. So, the law of evidence is Lex 4, which governs the state, whether a witness is competent or not, whether certain facts are to be proved or not, whether certain matter is required to be proved in writing or not, shall be determined by the law of evidence, in which the question arises or the remedies are to be enforced, or in which or where the court sits to enforce it. Suppose evidence given in India pertaining to cause of action arises in Russia shall be determined by the law of India, shall be governed by the law of India, but not by the law of Russia. Here, the Lex 4 plays very important role in every case. It is the power, procedure and justice. It gives the authority to the police officer to investigate into the offence. It gives the court the power and jurisdiction to try the case. Without the Lex 4, the judgment or order become invalid. It can be challenged in the court. That's all.